552 Old York Road in Branchburg. Lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bath Cape Cod on about 3/4 of an acre. A nice corner lot. This is an ideal home for the FHA 203K. And again, because it's a HUD owned home, you can buy this with as little as $100 down using FHA financing, including the 203K. House definitely needs a roof, needs some exterior work. The roof did have a severe leak that you'll see inside the house. Caused a lot of mold damage, and you can obviously see need for a roof. You have a rear enclosed Florida room, which you'll see when we go in. Nice property. Big oversized storage shed. So lots of potential with things to do back here. Neighbors' house is a good illustration of what can be done here. Side entry off the main road. Driveway. Nice side porch. The home has Verizon fiber optic, which is a great thing to have in a home. For speed and reliability. And we enter here in the living room. Not bad overall condition here. There's plush carpeting, wall unit air conditioning. It is forced air heat, but no central air. You're more than likely, although not guaranteed, but more than likely, with the age of the house and the style, probably hardwood floors underneath the carpeting. Beautiful Anderson picture window, casement window. Really nice kitchen. This can be an eating kitchen if you choose to. Add some new appliances in here. You already have cherry cabinets. Fabu wood. Nice looking home. Here's your enclosed Florida room. We have windows, you can open, get some fresh air, cross breeze. Nice ceiling fan there. Another ceiling fan here in the kitchen. We have a full bathroom with a big walk-in shower. More Anderson windows. Here you're going to see some of the mold damage. It's quite extensive. This is just the beginning. That was coming from a leak in the rear roof. One bedroom down here, same thing, coming from a rear roof leak. Great sturdy, lifelong Anderson windows, closet. So yeah, you could either paint this, rip up the carpets, probably have hardwood underneath it. Another nice bedroom here with a closet. So you have 2 bedrooms on first floor. You're going to have 2 bedrooms on the second floor with another full bath up there with a tub shower. We will get there next. Now to the basement. You can see right as you enter the mold damage down here. You can definitely smell it. So down here is pretty much unusable until you gut it out and clean it up. Same here. Tiles all loose from moisture getting underneath them. You do have your Verizon FiOS set up here. Plenty of electrical. It is a well system, but it is public sewers here. Sewers are right there out in the road, and you are connected to them. There's a Lennox furnace here. With Kenmore central humidifier, a hot water heater, which will need to be brought up to code. And it looks like it was probably manufactured in 2000, so may need replacement. Carrier, these things are workhorses, probably still works, but if you're gonna be doing everything, you might as well just replace it all. Get everything brand new. See a lot of water damage here. This is your hookups for a gas dryer. Dryer vent there. Not sure where the washer machine hookups are. Oh, right here. So you have your washing machine. Hookups there, dryer here. Could be a nice space once you get the issues taken care of. We are not in a flood zone. Need to stress that because there are some properties in the neighborhood that are 100% not in a flood zone. We're high. The only reason for this water, all this moisture, is home was not maintained properly, and we did have a point up top before the home was listed where you could see daylight out of the top of the roof. And your sewer pipes going down and out. Nice entertainment room, pool table room, game room. And we'll go upstairs to the second floor. Back through the living room. Up the nice plush carpeted stairs. You have a second bathroom here. And again, more of the mold from the leak that was out there. No more daylight. It's all taken care of. Tub with a fancy shower head. Obviously had some water leakage through the ceiling there. And here, easy. Gut it, rebuild it. Perfect candidate for the HUD 203K. You have nice cedar-lined cabinets. I'm sorry, cedar closets. And yes, you can still smell the cedar. Nice size room here, plus a walk-in closet with some additional storage. Back in here, you can put flooring in there. Use it for some additional attic storage. And that completes the tour. But this can be a real beauty. Here's a chance to make it your own, build some instant equity. The average equity return post-renovation with a 203K runs about 25 to 30% beyond the cost of the house. And renovations. Let's make it yours.